Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to install Windows Server 2025 Core Edition using Hyper-V. Now, before we jump into that video, if you're interested in purchasing Windows Server 2025, remote desktop licenses, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. So, without further ado, let's jump in. Alright, so hitting the Windows key, I'll type in Hyper-V and we'll go ahead and get the Hyper-V manager pulled up. Now from here, we're going to use the new option. We're going to create a new virtual machine. Alright, we'll click next on the first page of the wizard and we're going to call this Windows Server 2025 Core. Okay, I'll hit next again. We still have the option between Generation 1 and Generation 2. I like to use Generation 1 for its compatibility, so I'll leave that and hit Next. Here we can assign memory. With the dynamic memory checked, we won't have to worry about this too much, although we can still assign our startup memory. Dynamic memory is great because it only uses as much as you are actually using in real time. We'll hit Next again. I'll go with the default switch on the networking configuration page. All right, and then we're going to create our new virtual hard disk. And I'll select my size and I'll go ahead and hit next. All right, here's where we actually select our image file. This is an important part of the process. So we'll click down to install an operating system from a bootable CD. And then we're going to navigate to wherever we have that file. Here is my ISO file. If you don't already have this, you'll be emailed a download link immediately after purchasing. So if you have yet to purchase, be sure to check those links in the description. So we'll click open and we'll click next. Here we'll click finish. And we'll go ahead and launch our new virtual machine. So I'll just double click it from the Hyper-V manager and press start. Now we're about to get to that distinction between the desktop experience with the GUI and the core version. So I'll hit next through the first couple of options. I'll agree here and hit next again. I'm going to skip the product key for right now. And I'm just going to leave this as Windows Server 2025 standard. This option and this option are both the Core Edition, and the one that says Desktop Experience is the version with the GUI. So with standard selected, I'll hit Next again, and I'll hit Accept. We'll select our newly created disk. All right, and we'll go ahead and click Install. All right, guys, and as we can see, we are officially signed into the Core Edition of Windows Server 2025. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about any parts of that process, drop those in the comment section below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Again, if you're interested in purchasing genuine Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. We strongly encourage any specific viewer topic ideas that you may have. And lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps to support the channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.